What's going on? So we made it to the campsite. I did not film anything. There was so much going on doing the setup. I got the whole family here, and so I really wasn't focused on that, trying to make the content. My idea was to get out here, to get things started, and make everybody comfortable, and then get comfortable. And then, so right now I found a little bit of time to show y'all what we are doing. So looks like it might rain pretty soon, so it's a beautiful campground. Really nice spot, but let's show you around a little bit. As you can see, the tent's back there. I just got the fire started, trying to get that going a little bit for the kids while they're taking a nature walk. We got the chairs set up, we got some more wood, about to get the barbecue pit joint going. We got some steaks to grill. Just got some stuff going on. There are a lot of caterpillars out here, a ton. But take a look at the tent, man. Take a look at the tent. We got it set up in no time. Let me put this back up. But yeah, I mean, we got it. We got the glamp. Got it on glamp mode right now. Put the bug net. Zip the bug net back up. Some of the bugs are trying to get in, but yeah, we got it on glamp right now. We got the dog bed there, got the couch, got the queen size bed over there. We didn't put the second table up because the kids are just to have more space. When they go to bed tonight, they're going to just use the entire floor. This is a pea gravel for the premium tent pads that we ordered, that we got underneath. Obviously we got the carpeting that goes on top. And then the kids got like really big sleeping bags and blankets, and so they'll be comfortable enough. So yeah, man, not too bad at all. Like I said, it got set up pretty darn quick, set up really quick. And then it's the car pad over there. What I do like about this space, however, though, is that when we get a second one, it doesn't necessarily have to stay on the pad. It can actually kind of go off, and there's not much of a difference between the gravel and the dirt and the grass. It just goes right over. So just add a second one on there and it'll extend a little further out, kind of like the car, and we'll have an even bigger space for everybody to comfortably fit in here. But yeah, man, looks good. We even got the dog. We did not bring the AC, the portable AC, because it's getting cooler, and with it getting cooler, it just didn't make much sense to bring it. But if we did bring it, it was probably going to fit somewhere over here or wherever I think it is over here. Nope, not over here. It's on the other side. We would have to turn it around to get that going, but didn't need it. It's pretty cool. Last couple of nights when the sun goes down, it's actually been cold. So we figure we got a fan during the daytime. It's been working out, and as the sun's going down, it's starting to get a little cooler. It might rain, like I said, but you know, it is what it is. Other than that, we just got the picnic table. Got it covered up for now, just in case it does rain. And like I said, man, just got the fire going. So far, this has been going the way I've been wanting it to go. So far, everybody's been super supportive. Like I said, man, mainly I just want to do this kind of for the kids, man, because look at all these little caterpillars that are out. They're everywhere. Most of them are harmless, so not too worried about that. But yeah, man, I just wanted the kids to have a positive freaking experience like I had with my dad when I was younger. And back then I didn't know anything about glamping or cabins or anything like that. That stuff was like super expensive, so we always roughed it. And I was trying to tell the kids, I was like, if we were roughing it right now, like, we would have to walk all the way up to the office we'd have to walk all the way up to the office to go use the bathroom. Like, I remember going to Chain of Lakes, and that walk was brutal, so you had to use the porta potties or just bear the walk. Here, so much more convenient. The bathrooms are right around the corner. They got like 3 different bathhouses with showers built into them. Super clean. I was kind of blown away. But yeah, it's been nice, man. So now let's get to sit by, watch the fire. Got some s'mores and stuff for the kids to do some stuff. About to crack open a beer and get it. I might need to take this ND filter off a little later too. But yeah, man, so far, a very positive experience. I love it. This is what I would want to do, man. I think it's not only good for the family, but it's just good for mental health to kind of get away from things and just absorb the quiet, absorb the nature, and so far so good, man. So far so good. This fire's getting going. I got 4 bundles. This is 1 bundle. I don't know why I got 4. We're gonna take the rest home if we don't burn it tonight. We're only gonna spend a day out here. I wanted to do Friday, Saturday. Katie thought that it was. She said, let's start small. She don't know if she could do 2 days. So we're gonna do this 1 day, and then, like I said, kids enjoy it. I'm sure they'll want to do it again. So it's awesome, man. Awesome. Voodoo. Before I was born, she said you got a boy child coming.